And our purpose is really, really very simple. It's just to congratulate you. It's just to give a pat on the back. It's just to tell you that we are all very proud of you. And to tell you that those sleepless nights you had when you were studying all night, or those early mornings that you woke up to study, or the discipline that you maintained throughout your life, the small but meaningful sacrifices you made when others were doing other things but you were focused on your education. We just want to tell you that we appreciate all of the work that you did. All of the sacrifices and the hard work and the discipline you put in. We recognize it. And I do hope that that particular thought in your mind will continue throughout your life. Remember, topping the SSLC is not the end. It is just the beginning.